If you want to learn how to use Mailchimp email templates, you're in the right place. In this video, I'll walk you through the full process step by step so you can quickly find your templates, open the one you want, make your edits, and save everything properly. Whether you're updating a campaign, reusing a saved design, or just trying to get familiar with the Mailchimp layout, this guide will make it simple. If you find this helpful, go ahead and hit that like button, and don't forget to subscribe for more easy software tutorials just like this one. Alright, let's jump in. First, go to Mailchimp and sign in to your account. Once you're inside, you'll want to head over to the campaigns area. This is where Mailchimp keeps many of the tools you'll use for creating and managing email content. From there, look for the email templates section and click on it. This will take you to the page where your templates are stored and where you can access the different template options available in your account. Now, on the templates page, you'll see the Mailchimp templates area, which gives you access to all of the Mailchimp templates you can use. This is useful if you want to start with a ready-made design instead of building an email from scratch. Take a moment to look through the available options so you can choose a template that fits your email goals, whether that's a newsletter, an announcement, or a promotional campaign. Next, click on the Save tab to view all of your saved templates. These are the templates you've already created or stored for future use, which makes it much easier to reuse designs and stay consistent with your branding. If you already have a layout you like, this is usually the fastest place to find it. After that, click on any email template you want to edit. Once the template opens, you can begin making your changes. You might update the text, swap out images, adjust headings, change buttons, or refine the layout so it matches your message better. Mailchimp makes it easy to customize the template so it works for your specific campaign. Take your time here and make sure everything looks the way you want before moving forward. When your edits are finished, click Save and Exit. This is an important final step because it makes sure your changes are stored properly and your updated template is ready to use later in your email campaigns. Once you save it, you can come back to it anytime and reuse it again whenever you need. And that's it. You now know how to use Mailchimp email templates from start to finish. You learned how to get to the templates area, view saved templates, open one for editing, and save your changes correctly. If this video helped you out, please give it a like, subscribe for more Mailchimp and marketing tutorials, and I'll see you in the next one.